Hey friends! Good morning! Today is a very gloomy day. As you can see, di ba? Medyo, here's a video, maliwanag siya tingnan. But, it is so cloudy outside, guys. Walang sun. And it's already 11, so supposedly, maliwanag. As you've noticed, I've got my hair again. Kasi, I don't know, I feel bored with that one. And, ayoko maligo kasi ang haba niya. So, I wanted my hair to dry fast, to style fast. Kaya, I cut it. So, Rookie just cut yung sa length, but I did the layering. I always cut my own hair, guys. Kasi, I don't know. I feel weird. I don't know. I'm not satisfied yun. I'm not satisfied pag sa salon. I don't know. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung gusto kong nila sa hair ko. Oh my God, ang lakas ng hangin. So yun. So today we are going to Sashi and Baabaa school kasi magme-makeup ako kay Sashi kasi magpo-photo. Oh, lagi! Magpo-photo shoot sila. Mag-photoshoot sila sa mukha ni Rookie. Mag-photoshoot sila sa yung play nila. So, kaya we are going there. And today is exam week, periodical exam week din. So, maaga sila. Today is Saturday pala, guys. January 26. Hi, Miguel. So, here's my Doge. Umiiyak na. Oh, the Doge is crying. Wait lang, Miguel. So, yun. And, yeah. I feel so good with my hair. It feels so light. Grabe. Yun, I just blow dried it. And, super straight. Diba? My things. Ayan. Makalat. Kaya, i-arrange muna natin. So, I'm gonna bring this one too. Pero, ayan. We're here sa school ni Baabaa. Og ni Rookie.
Wait, ako na.
Yeah, it's you, of course. Nga pareha mong naong ani niya, oh. Diba?
Amin na ako si ate.
No, far away. Look at my short hair, guys. So, dati, oy, mag-start na ta og makeup, oy. Grabe, malate na 1 o'clock daw ko no. Tapos, hindi pa kami nakapag-start. Oh my God. Look at here. Ay, kagwapa ang ate, mag-itlog.
Halala, ina ni mo.
Ingon lang ka, diba?
Wow, this is my shoes. Ano man?
Finally, you're here. Fort San Pedro. We're back. That's so good. Hey! Uy, Juliet! And so we are inside. This is not planned, but we're inside. Wow, there's a cat. Fort San Pedro. It's my first time coming here. Kasi, I don't know. I've never been here sa plaza kasi my mama always tell me na hindi safe dito. But, ang daming tourists ngayon. Iba na siya compared before nung mga teenager years ko. So, me and Baabaa there and sila ate nandun pa kasi magtututorial sila here later. So, we're just waiting for them. And Rookie needs to go because he needs to fix the window of our car kasi biglang nasira, guys. I don't know why. Yun, so, I don't know what's inside here, but let's see. Wow, it's so windy. Hi, Ba. Say hi, Ba. Ba, have you been here, Ba, before? Have you been here before?
No, nakakuha sila. Ay, kuhaan sila din. Ay, trash can.
Mao ba ba? sashes, guys. This is sashes fruit. She says she's using mine. And look at my, oh my god. Let's get in. Ba, please do not touch, ba. Do not touch, please. We're now inside the gallery. Yeah. Who's that? That is Malaka. I don't know who is Malaka. Me and Baabaa. Kasi nandun sila because they're outside. Like, you know, taking, wow, my face is so shiny already. But they're there. I'm taking a shoot and Baabaa's with me. We're looking here inside the gallery. Feeling like a tourist, guys. It's my first time here sa Fort San Pedro. Yeah, I've never been here. But would you believe me that I've never been here? This is my first time. Oh, ka-third. Who's with you? Who's with you when you get here? Baba. Who?
Pagkinder.
Oh, kaya wa.
That's a can.
Oh my gosh, guys. I'm feeling like a tourist here. Parang, it looks so, I don't know if you can see me kasi it's so dark and gloomy. Side dyan sila. But, ay, dyan sa loob, dito sa Fort San Pedro. And I'm sa taas, sa torch, sa torre. Ayan, yun yung baba. Oh my God. Ganito pala dito sa taas. Merong ano dito. But I don't think it's allowed kasi yun, may stairs dyan pataas but nakalock na tayo makapasok. This is the dyan kami galing sa baba guys. Dyan. I'm here. Baba. Ba. Nandun sa baba sa ano. I'm inside here guys. Sa bahay ni Kuya. Wala si Ruki, sayang. Picture sana kami. Ang ganda naman ng ano dito guys, nung ano ba yan, yung place kasi hindi siya mainit, mahangin, and yeah, kasi malapit sa dagat kasi, yeah, malapit sa dagat, kaya how do you like my hair? My very short hair. Short na short. It's so straight. I don't know why. And yeah, flat. No volume at all. So, I don't know what are these. Ayan. Atan. Yun pala yung ito, yung mga ginamit nila sa World War dati. Kasi this is Fort San Pedro. Yung ginagamit nila. Oh my God. Finally, eating time sa favorite ni Baabaa. Wow.
Ako asan?
Favorite na ni Limote. Oh. So una, you don't like Burger King because you don't eat burger. Now you eat. Wow. Yeah, we're just waiting for our fries. Na, eat natin. Girl, labi na.
That's how my parents met.
That's how my parents met. Waka kadungog. Uy, buffering.